Are we?
Hey! Like it, Sonny. Careful.
Catch you on fire! Tornado! We can put your circle in mine. We do a tornado. Wizard! You're Wizard Harry! What? Harry Potter! Abracadabra cadee!
Whoever does the best dance moves is going to get £10 Roblox vouchers.
My necklace broke.
Okay, carry on. Ah, that's good. Good one now. Let's go. After 3, do a suey together. Ready?
No,
1.
Messi's the go.
No, do it after 3. 1, 2, 3.
Messi's better. Right, Dad, I'll do it properly.
1, 2, 3.
You could just hold them together. If I touch fire. Whoa!
Whoa, you see? Once upon a time, there was a playboy, and it's called Sonny Little Playboy. Why is it so sharp?
See some dance moves.
Wait, what happens if I blow it? What's so funny?
Can you see the reflection back? Tornado! Tornado!
Tornadoes!
That's it. That's it.
Can you see a snowflake? Looks like
Oh, that is not line. It looks like my hair.
my hair. Actually, it looks
R.I.P.
like itty bitty man.
No, I'm not doing the gritty. That goes too close to my face.
Hey! Like it, Sonny.
Willis! Wizard! Ooh.
Careful.
Catch you on fire!
Oh, I'm bending.
Let's make the tornado. We can put your circle in mine. We do a tornado. Helicopter, helicopter. Hey, Dad, let's open up the demons.
Demon! I like
My demon fight your demon.
My Jordan. Jesus versus devil. I'm Jesus.
Come on. I want you to. You're in.
Angels, angels, angels. Come on, Lucas. I can win.
You got that. Now we got our sparklers. Oh, God.
That's it, Luca, nice.
Alright.
Once upon a time. 10,000 of 10.
Let's go.
Oh, truthful, it looks 3D. Wow. It faded out there.
Yeah, because they lit halfway by accident.
Someone blowing it out. You thought I would blow it? Oh!
Can I hold it?
It's already took
Can
you
I have it?
once.
You have it? Hold it. I can do that. Is that soft?
Oh! Spawn out the day!
Right, let's see who can do the best dance moves. Sonny, you go first.
No!
Luke, go. Go.
Ah! It's
Oh, careful. Careful now.
Now
Okay.
Sonny's turn.
Go, Luca. Go, Sonny.
No, Sonny, your turn.
Hey, nice moves.
That's who won.
that man's already but if it just slides it up, it goes on to me. Ah, my finger.
Oh, a tornado. I'm Jesus. I don't.
Wait, don't put it up there. Do ya? Wow. Go!
I don't stand on.
Oh!
Oh.
Wow.
This is getting really under.
Wow. Mine's out there.
Ooh. You got that? Give me.
Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. What was that? What was that? Wow. Whoa. 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 Oh!